You're going to take the tail end of the yarn and loop it over the working yarn. And you're going to reach through the loop and grab the working yarn. And there's your slip knot. Put your hook through your slip knot, then determine the grip that works best for you. Use your non-dominant hand to hold your yarn and your slip knot, and your dominant hand will be holding your hook. To make a chain, place the hook over the yarn, then dip the point behind the yarn so that the point of the hook now has that yarn right in the groove. Turn the hook so that the point goes towards the base of your slip knot where you're holding. Gently and loosely, letting the yarn move, pull the hook through the loop. I've got my hook over the yarn. I'm going to wrap it around, turn the hook so that it's facing the base of my new knot right here where I'm holding. And I'm going to gently and loosely pull it through. Hook over. Grab the yarn, turn the hook, and gently pull it through. You'll know you've got it when all the V's from your chain are facing the same direction, when all the V's are the same size, and when your V's are loose enough that you can easily poke your hook through the V's.